Hey guys, it's Kem. My real name's Kemba in case you're curious. Yasmin.
Hey guys, it's Yas. Real name's Yasmin in case you're curious.
Hey guys, it's Kem. My real name's Kemba in case you're curious. Thank you for joining me for another video, and if you're new, then welcome. Today I have an exciting video. I'm going to be talking about Tropikal Bliss today. I don't think their products are new, but I just found out about them. But I'm just gonna start talking about each of them, I guess, in the order I'll use them. So the first thing is the Tropikal Bliss Wild Berries Co-Wash, and it says it cleanses, softens, and removes product buildup. Made with nourishing strawberry, cranberry, and pomegranate oil. The packaging is so cute. Okay, then after that, I will be using the Marshmallow Melt Mask, and it delivers a surge of hydration, rebuilds strength, and greatly conditions dry, damaged hair. Made with melting marshmallow and rich shea butter. Can we get into these packaging? Packages? Can we get into the packaging, please? Hello? It's so cute. So cute. And then after that, I will be using the Banana Leave-In Smoothie. It detangles and softens hair cuticles, tames frizzies and flyaways. I need both of that because my hair does both. It's just so cute. Like, I hope all these together smell good, because like separately I know they smell good, but like together I'm a little worried. I'm gonna run around here smelling like the grocery store. Anyway, after that we have the Pineapple Hair Milk, which is made with tangy pineapple and creamy coconut to moisturize and define curls. There we go. And then after that, I will be using the Chocolate Butter, which is made with shea and creamy cocoa butter to soften and moisturize brittle and thirsty hair. So this is on the, like in the directions, it says you can use it as like a twist out butter. So I'm gonna apply all these products and then put this on top. And then I feel like this is gonna be like enough moisture, so at the end of all this, when I take my, well, probably when I'm taking my twist out, I'll put on this watermelon squeeze. It says it promotes healthy and lustrous hair growth, helps nourish scalp and the hair follicles, rich in omega-3, 6, 9, and vitamins. So, I don't know, I might use this on my scalp. I don't know, but I'll most likely just use it when I'm taking my twist out tomorrow or the day after. Who knows, I might not have anything to do tomorrow and I might leave them in. But yeah, oh boy, I hope all these together really do detangle, because sis, a 6-day wash and go. A 6-day wash and go. Sounds dangerous to me. Like, my hair is gonna be knotted, tangled, all kinds of crazy stuff going on. But it's still, wow, like look at the definition. I'm pressed. Don't mind this side. I like this side better. But yeah, I'm about to hop in the shower and I will be back for the styling portion. Sit tight. Okay, I'm back out the shower. While I was in there, I used the co-wash, which was really really creamy, so it was kind of annoying to have it in like that tub that I had to scoop, because like it just kept like sliding. It had a lot of slip, but it was just hard to like grip. So was the deep conditioner. It actually felt like I was pulling out, like, you know, like that, what's that, I think it's called fluff, like the things that you put on snowballs. It's like marshmallows, like not melted, but like melted-ish marshmallows. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, that's what it felt like. It's exactly like that marshmallow stuff. But okay, I'm gonna be honest. It said to keep it on your hair for like, what, like 15 to 30 minutes. I probably did about 10 because like I was over it. I was like, I'm ready to wash this out. I didn't feel like coming out and sitting under a dryer. But with all that being said, I could tell that that's a really good deep conditioner. My hair probably didn't get the full effect because I rushed it. Well, hopefully all these moisturizing products afterwards are going to help me out. But yeah, I was like, I don't feel like it. I just like kind of cranked the shower up like really hot, showered, and then I was like, it's time. Like I didn't feel like I don't know. It was very lazy deep condition today. But with that being said, it's really not that. My hair is soft. It feels good. Just probably not as soft. It would probably feel like luscious if I left it in and like did the heat. Oh, girl, that's a deep conditioner. I didn't even get the full effect, and I know that's a deep conditioner. So I recommend it, the Marshmallow deep conditioner. And the co-wash left my hair feeling good. Like it actually like sudded up a little bit, so it kind of felt like a shampoo, like a very gentle shampoo. So I'm all for it. I'm really all for that. Anyway, let me get into it. In this bottle, I have warm water. So I'm gonna spray my. Okay. I want my hair to be wet because I feel like I'm about to add a bunch of stuff to it. Okay. Not necessarily dripping because I'm not doing a wash and go, but wet enough. And if you hear that like fan noise or whatever, I guess not a fan, it's my heater because it's cold in here. And I'm not trying to freeze. So like if you hear that fan noise, that's what it is. Oh, so this is the banana. Oh, the deep conditioner smelled like cotton candy, and this is like snot. And the co-wash, it smelled berry-ish. It just kind of smelled fruity. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh yeah. So this definitely mentions detangling, and that is it. Like I just felt the moisture and the detangling just happen. Wow, this banana leave-in. It smells like bananas. Like I love the smell of bananas. So next is the pineapple hair milk. I don't know if I feel like this smells like pineapple or not. Okay, the leave-in was a lot more snotty. This is like cream. Like I feel like I just put lotion in my hair, in my hand. Oh, oh, wow. Okay. I can honestly say I am not mad at these products. See, I knew me lacking on the deep conditioner would have been made up for with these products I got. I knew it. What am I doing? Like I'm about to do a wash and go. I just want to see if it's still funny. Definition isn't too bad. This side always looks better than this side. Alright. I low-key, I just want to try and see what the oil looks like, you know. Let me just put the oil like right here. So I'm skipping steps, yeah. That's because I'm excited. I don't know what to do with my life. I'm just so excited. Oh wow, this one's really good. And it comes in like this little pump bottle, so it squirts. It doesn't have too much come out, but it's like a decent amount. Okay. Did I just seal in the moisture? I think so. Hopefully. I don't know. I don't know why I'm going away from what I had planned originally. Let me get it back together and use this chocolate butter. Okay, fun fact, I'm dumb. When on the website, I thought that I could have sworn this said cocoa butter. like swore up and down it said cocoa butter, but it says chocolate butter. Interesting. This joint. Am I gonna get any out? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, so this is one of those ones that you gotta sleep. Let me get my twist in order now that everything is all prepped and primed. Now I will say this, my hair feels super good, super moisturized, but I'm not sure about the hold. Like, I don't know how long this is gonna last me. I think what I'm gonna do with the chocolate butter is just kind of like scrape some and then put it on each individual like part that I'm gonna do for every braid, because it feels like I took a lot off, but like in actuality I didn't. Almost broke my nail trying to get this out of there. Guys, it's the next morning. I took my hair out and look at how fantastic it looks. We're gonna talk about this side right now because this other side I still haven't figured out what I need to do. Like, I already took it out, separated and plucked it, and this side is still like nah. So, you know, we're just gonna focus on this, the volume. And well, this is like first day volume, so it's not volume. We're gonna talk about the definition. My hair is definitely defined. All those products together work. Yes, ma'am. No flakes, okay? No flakes. I'm pressed. So pressed. No flakes. Like, I use a lot of products in my hair, as y'all saw. My hair is moisturized. It's a little bit greasy, so I didn't even need to use like an oil to separate it, because like it's pretty greasy. So like, you know, like real frizz, as you guys can see, is really popping off. I even plucked it and it's still not really that much frizz. So I know I mentioned, like, I was wondering like how my hair is gonna smell with all these products, and it just smells like the chocolate layer that's on top. So it's not as weird as I thought it would be, like pineapple, banana, chocolate, watermelon. I was nervous. Marshmallow, berries, like I was nervous, but it's okay. It just has the last thing that you put on your hair. That's what it smells like. Even though I prefer to smell the watermelon oil, but my hair is too oily and greasy to put anything else on top of it. But it is super moisturized. It's nice and defined. This is like my finished product. No, I just don't even know what this side is doing. Like, plucked it. But I do feel like the hold isn't gonna be crazy, so I'll probably like retwist it or like braid it again tonight, just because I don't feel like when I wake up tomorrow it's gonna be this ship happen. But all in all, I love all these products. I would recommend the co-wash. Wow, yeah, that co-wash was serious. Like, my hair was super soft. Like, I really didn't even have to deep condition after I used that co-wash. And it has so much slip. That and the deep conditioner, so much slip. Oh, it smelled so good. Like, all these products smell amazing. I honestly recommend everything I tried. I don't really know if I can recommend like the oil serum watermelon thing, but it did smell good. So if you like oils that smell good, I recommend it. I'm sure it's sealed in some kind of moisture, who knows. But yeah, I recommend every product I use except for maybe like the pineapple milk. Actually, no, I recommend it. but I feel like it's the most unneeded product since I had the butter to go on top. I don't really feel like I needed that as well. But I loved everything. I clearly love how my hair turned out. Well, you know. Yeah. So you guys should definitely give Tropikal Bliss a little Google. I found them. Oh yeah, they're my friend. She told me about them. But yeah, I would definitely Google. It's Tropikal Bliss. Like, I'll put it right there. Tropikal Bliss. Because it's spelled with a K instead of a C. Whatever. Look it up. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got for you guys today. Yeah. That's it. I'm just like showing you guys like the different insides. I mean, I guess this one doesn't look too. Oh, I guess I can just push it. No, or maybe if I just shake it. Woo! Maybe not. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for stopping by. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye!
Around